In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll back a WooCommerce update. If you've ever updated WooCommerce and encountered unexpected issues or compatibility problems with other plugins, knowing how to revert or roll back to a previous version can be incredibly helpful. So let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can perform this task smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. From there, look at the menu on the left side and find the Plugins option. Hover over it, and in the drop-down that appears, click on Add New. This step is crucial because we'll be adding a new tool that facilitates rolling back plugin updates. Once you're on the Add New Plugins page, you'll notice a search bar at the top right corner. Type in WP Rollback and hit Enter to initiate the search. WP Rollback is a very useful plugin that allows you to easily revert to previous versions of any installed plugin. It's like having a safety net that lets you recover to a stable version if updates don't go as planned. After the search completes, you should see WP Rollback in the list of available plugins. Go ahead and click on the Install Now button. The installation process is generally quick, but it might take a moment depending on your internet connection and server speed. Once it's installed, you'll see the button change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable WP Rollback on your site. With WP Rollback activated, we can now proceed to the next step. Navigate again to Plugins on the left menu, but this time select Installed Plugins. This section will show a list of all the plugins currently running on your site. Scroll through the list to find WooCommerce. Once you've located it, you'll see that there's now a new option beneath the WooCommerce plugin name, the Rollback link. Click on Rollback, and you'll be presented with a list of all the versions of WooCommerce that you can roll back to. Here, you should carefully select the version you wish to revert to. It might be a good idea to have noted beforehand which version was last stable and functional for your setup. Once you've decided, click on the Rollback button. The final step involves confirming your decision. A pop-up might ask you to verify that you indeed want to roll back to the chosen version. Once you've confirmed, the rollback process will begin. Wait for it to complete, and that's it. WooCommerce will now be reverted to the version you selected. It's always a good idea to check the functionality of your site after performing a rollback to ensure everything is running smoothly. By following these steps, you should be able to manage WooCommerce updates with more confidence, ensuring your site remains operational and free from unexpected issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in resolving any update-related challenges you faced.